Let's schedule a tweet in our Twitter. For this, open your Twitter, click on tweet, compose tweet. Here you can add an image for it. Let's say I select this, add some text here. Now you can see the schedule button, click on it. Schedule it for, I'm just going to schedule it for 20th of April. And my time will be like 10 a.m. Confirm and schedule. Now the point is where to find your scheduled tweets. For this you need to go click on tweet, compose tweet. Here at the top you see unsent tweets. Click on that. If you have any draft tweets, these will appear over here. Right now I don't have, and scheduled, all your scheduled tweets are available here. The tweet that we just created is here. We just scheduled it. Edit your scheduled tweets, click on the tweet, go to unsent tweets, scheduled, and find which do you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this post, so I just click over here. It will be opened and you can easily make changes as per your requirements. So in this way, you can schedule your tweets, and it is very useful feature for the social media managers who need to manage different clients accounts so they can schedule their all posts at a time. If you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications timely. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.